I just seen this on, well, Lavana Loma's just shared it. She lives in Hawaii. I thought I'd do a decode just because I saw this. I didn't realise that this had gone on. So, Maui had a Smart City conference on the 3rd of January this year. Well, it was 3rd, while the 6th of January this year. And then there's 218 days between January the 3rd to August the 8th, and 2 times 18 equals 36, which is 3 6s, 666. But yeah, I took it a step further and I just used the information on here and did my own bit. Martin. So yeah, January is the first month, obviously, /3/6, which is the date that it was between, so between the 3rd and the 6th of January. Smart City Conference held in January 3rd while the 6th. 136 is the 16th prime, like the date numerology, 8 + 8, because it happened on August the 8th. All these alleged wildfires shit. 666 is the 36 triangle number, like the 3rd to the 6th of January, or 218 days after the conference. 2 times 18 is 36. Smart City Conference in Gematria is 216, the 6th Q number, which is 6 times 6 times 6. Hicks 56, which was the name of the conference, the hicss 56. I don't know if that was the 56th edition of that conference, I don't know. Where did I get to? Yeah, hicss 56 equals 88 in Gematria. Maui equals 64 in Gematria. 8 times 8 equals 64. And it also equals 28, and 28 is the 2nd perfect number. And 28 times 2 is 56. Obviously Hicks 56, it's got the 56 in it. Hicks on its own is 32, like the rays on the Jesuit logo, so there's 32 rays on the Jesuit logo, or the final stage of Freemasonry before the 33rd degree. Climate change also equals 56, like Masonic ritual, Freemasons, all seeing eye, Paris, France, which is the founding place of the Jesuits, the Pope, which is currently he's currently a Jesuit, and the Society of Jesus. Yeah, that's what I found. All staged by the numbers.